Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 515 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the menu and here we have to find the settings. So let's find them, highlight them and press select. Then let's go to the tones, they should be on the third position, and press select also. And as you can see, the second section is connected with the ringtone. Here we can check which ringtone we've got currently set. We can go to the right and check some tone downloads. We can open the files, and basically this is the option we are looking for. So just set it here and press select. Here we've got the folders with the tones, so let's open it, and they are divided between the ringtones and the alert tones. So I will pick something from the ringtones, and basically right now I will just go down, because whenever I will stop, the device will play back the ringtone which is currently highlighted, just like that. So it is also quite loud, so I will not be able to talk to you. So basically you can listen all of them if you want to, and decide which one you like the most. And if you will find one, just make it highlighted, so just stop like here, maybe not this one, and basically just press select. So let me randomly pick this one. Okay, and as you can see, it will immediately appear right here, so remember to press save. And it has been saved, so your device from now on will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Nokia 515. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.